Vacuum generator overview for 50 carton horizontal case erector. We are currently using the PF 0.6 vacuum generator. Its vacuum level is around -95 kilopascals. This -95 kilopascals generator offers stronger suction than the previous -85 kilopascals model. It easily lifts a 3.5 kilograms carton. And since the carton surface is smooth, the suction is very firm. Very stable when lifted, hard to pull off or pry from the side. Overall, the suction performance is very stable and reliable. Suction surface adaptability. For example, look here, there is a dent and also a crease line. If the suction cup attaches at this spot, the vacuum level won't be enough and it may slip off. But if it attaches to a smooth surface, the suction will be much stronger. On surfaces that are uneven, the suction is less stable. If the crease is deep, the suction is also less secure. In contrast, on smooth or laminated surfaces, the suction is very firm. Rough or uneven surfaces will significantly reduce the vacuum level and holding force. Connector and vacuum check. Here, at this connector, if you notice it cannot be pulled out, right? When you press it in, if it's not aligned with the slot and pushed in firmly before twisting, problems may occur. For example, if the fitting is slightly tilted or not properly locked or tightened, and then you insert the air tube, it may cause leakage. So there can be several factors that lead to air leakage here. To check, you can attach a vacuum gauge at the suction cup to see the actual vacuum level. As I showed earlier, values like -85 or -95 indicate the vacuum level. The higher the vacuum level, the stronger the suction. Could connect a gauge here to see the vacuum directly.